Kind regards. This project deals with the improvement in the process of incident support for corporate clients. The LGCT company is a technology and telecommunication company located in Ecuador for more than 20 years. Among its main services are telephony and connectivity for a general public. The work team in charge of this operation is made up of company staff and project leader. The objective of the project is presented below with the aim of reducing the gap by 83%. Our problem focus after performing the respective analysis is the following. The output variable G is the service level, defined like this. Our input variable are duration times for workstation, in total 4. For each one, a sample of 300 data was considered, and with normal distribution. With this, the expert fit software was used to know which probability distribution best represent the data and to be able to enter them in flexing for layer simulation. Each one represents its respective histogram, its 3 best distribution, and its comparison with other means. The first variable is to validate the service. The second is perform second level care. The third is validate technical platform. And finally, the last one is close ticket. With flexing the following West model. As seen in the video, there are 3 departments in the company. The first one is from technical support, where the complaint call arrive and are received. From there, it goes to the customer care department, where 2 operators review the information, and if they are not in the scope of solving, they send to the third department. In the latter, 2 maintenance engineers work to solve the problem and send a technician to the corporation if necessary. Finally, the technician returns and reports the entire case to the technical support, where they register the ticket. Here the model is shown with the total simulation time per picket, which gives as a result whence an average was made for each department of 47.57 hours, which in terms of the variable G is 6.30%.
Verification. In your maker process map, we have different stages. We have been evaluated by the expert Yoshiro Aizpurua. The stage of the process are validate service, review alarms, and define areas to climb, validate technical platforms, run review and on-site of jobs, and close attention ticket. Validation. Hypothesis test was performed where we conclude by the p-value that we mean is equal approximately 48. Therefore, the model is valid. Additionally, a power test was carried out where we need at least 15 values to increase the power of model so that the output values don't change. For the solution results to our root cause, brainstorming was carried out with the operation staff in the company, having a total of 6 improvement ideas which were validated in a focus group with administrative and management staff. In the present matrix, we can see which ideas directly attack the root cause of problem verified before. Finally, we carry out a financial analysis of our possible solutions. In the present matrix, we can see the cost associated with our improvement results. Finally, to determine the most factible solution to attack or root cause, we carried out an impact effort matrix implementation Kanban for replenishment of repair material require a high effort but with a high impact on the organization. While our solution 3 requires high effort but not it, will be very beneficial. Finally, the chosen solution can be seen in the blue box and they have a high impact in low effort. It should be noted that selection criterion was also the financial analysis.
Next, we have the implementation plan. The root cause is an efficient system for receiving and updating complaints. What will our solution be is to train staff in customer service to get all information from clients. Why? Because it will allow us to record how long the incident takes from the moment that the ticket starts until it ends. How? By making user manuals and training staff where in the technical service department, who by the human resources and operation department, the cost is around $700 starting September 2021. Next, we have the requirements, go through areas that do not add value, which make the process longer. What our solution is to standardize the process by only making activities that add value. Why? Because they will help us to get the bottlenecks in the process and eliminate it or reduce it. How? By making a value analysis and standardizing the process. Where in the technical and customer service department, by the operations department, costing around $600 and starting September 2021. Next, we have the inefficient replenishment of inventory of repaired items, meaning stock outs from repaired items. By our solution is implement a new inventory policy. Why? Because they will help us know when to place a new order to restock the materials, considering also safety stock. How? By implementing an EOQ system and visual aids, where in the platform validation department, by the logistic department, costing around $250, starting September 2021, and the current state is also planned. Next, we have the implementation plan schedule, when we know when each activity should start and when everything should end. So the first solution is user manuals that cost around $200. That is a manuals that the staff need to follow to know how to properly make the process. And next we have the staff around $500. This will be done by an external company, a consulting company, and they will train the staff to know how to serve better the customers and get all the information needed. The second solution is a value analysis, about $250, and the standardization, $350. The value analysis will be implemented to discriminate the activities that add and do not add value. And the standardization is then after we have the activities that add and do not add value, we will revisit the process and optimize it, the flow, and the interaction between different departments. This will be done also by an external company. The third solution is implement an EOQ system of about $150, which will determine a fixed queue quantity, and visual aids around $100 that are visual controls to help us know the organization of the materials. So here we have a meeting that we have with our clients to show them what are our proposed solution, and they will give us feedback. And the next step is the control part. Thank you.